Hello, welcome back. All right, this video is going to be about the pickup whip. No, you're not picking her up, okay? Pickup whip with a slide out. All right? So here we go. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Notice I slide out with my right hand down her left arm, and we rotate slightly open to get to this position, okay? So let's take it from this angle. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Nicely done. So notice again, the beginning of these whips are kind of very similar. It's the ending that kind of changes, right? Ready? And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Very cool. All right. Now, for more detail on this particular pattern and any other pattern, go to your private lesson style videos to get that. And also remember, this is about trying to get through nice and easy. Try not to force anything, all right? Just ask through your leads, nice and smooth, all right? Go practice and then come on back for your next pattern.